This is Bean There Topped That, a food truck built around chili on everything. Burgers, dogs, fries, bowls, and more, all smothered in chili. It feels like a real parking lot truck stop, hot, loud, and unapologetically messy. And this is a full menu, not just one recipe. You've got handhelds, like this loaded breakfast burrito. Eggs, meat, cheese, and chili packed into one serious first bite. Then there are the fries, messy, loaded, and built to go over the top. Crispy fries, under chili and cheese, are exactly the kind of chaos this truck is chasing. Tachos take that same idea and push it even harder. Crispy tots, chili, cheese, and heat, all piled into one tray. The truck also leans into the classics. A real chili dog should look like this, messy enough to need extra napkins. Then you hit the burger section, and it gets even heavier. This one is exactly what the name promises. A big, smothered chili burger. Some menu items stop pretending to be neat altogether. The junkyard dog pile is all about stacked toppings and zero restraint. Then the menu shifts into bowls, bags, and chili-loaded comfort food. Trailer Park Pie brings crunch, chili, cheese, and that full parking lot comfort food vibe. The walking taco keeps things portable, messy, and easy to crush on the go. It's the kind of food truck item that feels casual but still hits hard. And the menu doesn't stop at handhelds. Chili Mac Attack is pure comfort food, creamy, heavy, and completely truck-worthy. Even the drink fits the truck. It's bright, cold, and exactly what you want with all that chili. So this isn't one-note food. It's a full chili-topped comfort menu. Every item you're seeing has a full recipe you can actually make at home. You can grab the recipes one by one, completely free. Or get the full menu pack and take the whole truck home at once. That means burgers, dogs, fries, burritos, bowls, and the drink are all covered. It's built so you can recreate the full Bean There Topped That experience at home. And the best part is, all the recipes are free. This entire menu is available, recipe by recipe. Check the description to get the free recipes and the full menu pack. And if you don't see it there first, check the pinned comment. Get all the free recipes below, and start with the one calling your name.